Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's Mandy, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Color My World Dips, and I'm super excited. These colors that we're using today were recently released by Color My World, and there are tons of beautiful new fall colors and even Halloween. So you're going to find something that definitely catches your eye, but we're using 3 colors today, and this first one, the name is so cute. It is called Gobble Till You Wobble, and check out this full coverage here with the gel method. It is stunning, and that shimmer is so pretty. And then we're going to use this titanium toothpick, which by the way is a game changer for cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge if you are making press-ons. I love it so much, and it was super easy to use, and I felt like I had a better cleanup versus using a precision tool. And I feel like this titanium toothpick is going to be really good with foil dip powders as well, so I cannot wait to try it with a foil dip powder. But back to this beautiful color that we're working with right now, Gobble Till You Wobble. I love it so much. It is so cute. It is the perfect fall color. So it has this beautiful brown glitter base, but then it has these like flecks of glitter that are red, orange, bronze, gold, copper. It's like if you took all the color leaves in fall and crumbled them up and put them in this dip powder, that is the glitter payoff. It is just so pretty, and this camera is not even doing this color justice. It is beautiful, and it takes on a whole new light of its own when it hits the sunlight. This color is also going to complement so many other colors. You could do like a burgundy red, you could do like a dark teal color. Options are endless with this color, and it's a great color to have not only for this transition period from autumn to fall, but this is perfect color for Thanksgiving. I mean, if the name didn't give it away itself, it's a great Thanksgiving color, and I just feel like this is the perfect fall glitter that you need in your life. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this Mandy process, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit when it's time to start the color blocking. All right, so we're just finishing up dipping in to spice things up, and you're going to see here, check out this thermal change. It is everything, isn't it? It is like the perfect fall thermal changer, and I'm completely obsessed with it. So now we're going to go ahead and start that color blocking art. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start out with that first line here. I'm going to slightly angle it by that cuticle area, and I am using this 3M medical tape for color blocking, which is by far my favorite. I used to stay away from color blocking. I was using a thinner tape before, and then I tried color blocking again with this 3M medical tape, and it was a game changer, and now I'm addicted to color blocking. It is by far the best tape, especially if you're color blocking on your hand, because it just lays perfectly and it adheres to your skin really well, so it doesn't have any lifting or anything like that. Also, it's waterproof, so you have this like slight barrier when you're using your dip liquids or your gels. It's not going to seep through, so in the end you're going to have even a cleaner line. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to do 2 dips every time we color block. We're just going to go in and do 2 dips, and then we're going to peel off that tape, and then we're going to continue adding more tape to create that color blocking art, and that's going to be really it. It's going to be super simple. After we cure it as well for that second dip and you remove that tape, I am going to go ahead and clean up that line a little bit with a file, but that's totally optional. But if you want a smooth, crisper line, I definitely recommend doing that. So that's all we're going to do for this color blocking art. We're just going to keep repeating the same steps for each line until we complete the whole nail. But color blocking art is so much fun, and I just completely am obsessed with it. And now it's like an addiction for me. I just think it's so fun. And I've been loving the fall colors. So I've been dying to do some more color blocking art with some beautiful fall colors. And these colors from Color My World dips were the perfect colors to create some more color blocking nail art. All right, so we're going to dive right back into this nail art here. And then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up with a layer of gel base. We're going to cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to finish up with a layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It is screaming fall. These colors are everything, and they complement each other so well. And then we have a little game changer here with that thermal change from Spice Things Up, which is totally a game changer for this mani, and that thermal change is beautiful. So you have the best of both worlds. It's kind of like you have two manis, right? But I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. These colors were fantastic. If you are looking for fall colors, Color My World Dips has a great variety of fall colors, even Halloween ones, and you're going to find something that catches your eye. So definitely check out Color My World Dips. I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.